But what triggered you to get to that professional advisor kind of a mindset?
So one part, just to add to the earlier thing, also earlier question maybe, ki I think we were very clear in terms of uh, we don't want to just run behind the money. Maybe we just don't want to earn money just for the sake of earning it and just for the sake of spending a lot of money. Uh, Fortunately, I think again that kind of lifestyles are also matching between both of us. So that was one part, and another part, like in this particular question, what we realize both of us is about money or about doing some kind of a research behind that is not something which we really enjoy. So to be very frank, so I think that one part is, of course, that triggers. Okay, if we are not doing research, then we should go to somebody who actually has done a lot of research already. And a very basic example is like, if I'm getting a fever, then I should go to doctor rather than just doing the kind of home remedies. There is, of course, there is a limit towards that also. You can definitely do some kind of home remedies, but after a particular point, you should go to a professional who is there. And fortunately, I think we got opportunity to connect with the professional services, because earlier we were not at all clear ki who are these people, or these people exist in a sense. Because we always thought ki yes, there are, let's say, brokers are available, there are banks are available, so all these different institutions are there that we know. But how to approach that, because most of the times these bigger institutions are inaccessible. We didn't anytime felt like, yaar, ki, can we go there? uh, we really don't have a confidence ki if we go to a bank and then they will also ask us the typical questions ki, okay, can we help you, and all these things. Because that, I think, is also one way where that got triggered ki yes, if there are professional services available, we should really think of it, and then actually we approached for the professional services. To add anything?
I think it was for me, it was a life-changing moment in terms of emotions, in terms of practical life, the place itself, the salary is going to stop. That's a very basic thing. So I think I should know that what is going to happen after this. I think, and this particular question, that what will happen after the retirement date, used to bug me a lot, and that got me here, that it is better that I speak to someone who knows it best, and who can tell me as an outsider, who will not judge me, who will not tell me that you have to cut short your trips, you have to cut short your goals, who will not tell me that, but still tell me the reality, that yes, you can go for these 3 goals, you can go for these 5 goals, but yes, you have to check points, these particular things, while planning your international trip or while planning your domestic trips also. So I wanted that honest opinion, rather than having something between us where we are discussing, we are doing Google and searching for something and we'll find the answers. So that would not help. And we have been doing that for past, I think, 2-3 years, and it was not so much of help. So I thought that it's better to go to such professional where I will get the honest answer and transparent answer, rather than having something in the gray.
And I think one part is also, actually we tried, right? That I think we should also discuss that. We tried doing that by us only, our own, in a sense. We took some decisions, we even started some kind of an investment thing, but actually the problem was systematicness of it, or the problem was also it was very haphazard in a way, or it was very ad hoc. We kind of, there was some news, these are the things, oh, now it will go up and all. And then, of course, it was having a lot of influence on us, because we were very new to this particular field. So there was some influencer who tells this kind of a thing. There was some news agency who will tell you something around it. So that actually was also, we started with that. And then we realized, no, this is not something we should be doing, because this is actually not giving us any kind of confidence. At the same time, any kinds of gains also. Maybe there must be some kind of a percentage gain in terms of money, but it was not at all giving us any confidence or any planning for the future, which we really wanted from this particular money wala point.
No, absolutely. As you both mentioned, I think it is very relevant, and it is very, you can say, all of us need to understand this, that finances itself is a very complex subject. Whenever we are going through our own jobs, our own careers, putting that much energy in trying to learn finances, then implement it from an outsider's view, which you actually accurately explained, because many a times we are very biased towards our own decisions, and we want to make sure that those decisions are right, even if they might not be right in some cases. And at that time, an unbiased advisor who is looking at it professionally absolutely helps in getting that clarity, in getting that confidence, so that we are clear that some things are possible, some things may not be possible, but at least there is a path towards getting all of those things at the right place.